Distinguished patrons, welcome to the 2025 Scots Tattoo. At this time, we ask you to take your seats and silence all of your mobile devices. Please enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, VIPs, students and families, and friends of the Scots College. My name is Rory Gallagher. I'm a Year 12 student, and as you may have guessed, I grew up in Scotland where I attended George Heriot School, which is located in the shadow of the George Heriot and the Edinburgh Castle. When I arrived in Australia last year, I immediately felt a strong connection to the culture and traditions of Scots, which I was warmly embraced by. It is my pleasure to welcome you this evening as your host and on behalf of the College Council and Principal, Dr. Lambert. I invite you to join us in celebrating the tradition, talent, and the incredible spirit that define our college community. To our VIPs, staff, and college community, we are honored by your presence and truly appreciate your continued support. To our students, you are the heart and soul of this school and event, and we are so proud of the dedication and enthusiasm you bring to everything you do. And to the families who have supported and encouraged our students every step of the way, we thank you for your unwavering commitment. The Scots College Tattoo is not just a performance, it is a celebration of unity, excellence, and the bonds that tie us together. Tonight, we invite you to sit back, enjoy the incredible performances, and experience the pride and passion that comes with being a part of the Scots College family. Arriving by pipe escort to this evening's tattoo is Principal Dr. Ian Lambert and Mrs. Lambert, and Chairman of the College Council, Mr. Glenn Pather. We also welcome to the tattoo this evening our majority donor and old boy of the college, Mr. John Cunningham, AM.SCM. Welcome, sir. Starting in cubs as 3-year-olds, boys in the Early Learning Centre begin their journey as fine Scot boys. You've probably seen their stripy bumblebee shirts, tiny dolphin caps, and enormous school bags, big enough to tip them over. Tonight, we have the entire ELC, comprising 190 boys aged 3 to 7 years old, led by their Year 5 and 6 dance company leaders to open the tattoo for us. Yeah. Everybody, yes. It is no mean feat when you're this young to walk into such a big space. So please give them plenty of encouragement as they rock around the clock.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me home. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the chimes ring 5, 6, and 7, we'll be right in 7th heaven. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Oh, when it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong, and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 12, we'll cool off, then start a rockin' around the clock again. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Thank you so much to the ELC Dance Troupe. Now, celebrating its 125th anniversary, the College Pipe Band started in 1900 when 3 pipers and 2 drummers joined together with a shared vision. Today, over 500 students are involved in the Pipes and Drums program. The band have proudly worn the tartan of the Black Watch Royal Highland Regiment since they were granted permission to do so back in 1931. The band this year is led by Pipe Major Oliver Carmont, Senior Drum Majors Edward Johnson and Charles Gilpin, CUO of Midsection Billy Kumakelis, and CUO of Drums Samuel Crombie. Their performance will begin with our college trumpet fanfare, and they will be joined by the Old Boys Pipes and Drums Band. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and warmly welcome the Scots College Pipes and Drums.
open drums up the hole. Drum majors, follow their center. Quick, march!
Please join me in welcoming the Year 3 Scots rugby team. We have the privilege of seeing these boys compete in a seven-a-side format every Saturday morning at Coola Park. And today, we get to watch them showcase their skills on the main oval. Joining the team today is our Lion mascot, here to hype up the crowd. Before we begin, I need your help to get the energy up and set the tone for this exciting moment. If everyone on the left side can please cheer for the gold team. Way! Yes! If everyone on the right side could please cheer for the blue team. Way!
There's a dream I feel so
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, everybody, I can't hear you. Give it up for the gold team. Give it up for the blue team. Come on, guys, our lion wants to hear you roar.
to you, blue with me, back to you. Back to you, blue. Get out of the blue. Back to you, blue, number 5, get back. 5 out of it, 5 out of it. Blue, back to you, blue, back to you. Keep going, keep going.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please give it up for an incredible game from the Year 3 Rugby! The Scots Tattoo Choir, consisting of boys from the ELC to Year 12, as well as students from the Brighton Prep campus, will be singing two famous Scottish folk songs, the Skye Boat Song and Loch Lomond. The Skye Boat Song is a beautiful Scottish folk tune that talks of courage, loyalty, and the unyielding spirit of a people. It speaks to the valour of those who risked everything for what they believed, such as Prince Charlie's dramatic escape to the Isle of Skye with the opening line, "Speed Bonnie Boat." Loch Lomond is a song of two captured soldiers that are reminiscing their happy days spent on the bonny banks of Loch Lomond. The line, "Ye'll tak the high road and I'll tak the low road and I'll be in Scotland afore you," has the meaning we will always return to our homeland, no matter which road we take. Please welcome the Scots Tattoo Choir, conducted by Miss Low Reed and accompanied by Miss Chang.
Oh
Welcome everyone. My name is Edward Johnson and I'm the head prefect at Scots, and it is my pleasure to take you on a tour of the John Cunningham Student Centre live tonight. As you can imagine, we really can't fit in all of you here at once, so let me take you around on a tour and show you around. When you admire this beautiful facade from the outside, you will really notice what you can see from there, but it's really about what's on the inside. It's no mean feat to undertake a project of this size. Watching it develop over the years has been a truly outstanding journey. And as we venture through our first floor in the John Cunningham Student Centre, you'll notice things like this incredible camel statue and our sensory room in the corner, which is a great place for our boys to rest and decompress in their studies throughout the day. So come along with me throughout tonight as I give you a tour of each floor of the John Cunningham Student Centre. Thank you.
The Drummers Fanfare gives the players a chance to step out from behind the pipers and showcase their own talents. Led by CUO of Drums, Samuel Crombie, they will play a varied selection of rhythms from different genres of drumming from across the world, ranging from traditional Scottish pipe band to American and Swiss rudimental drumming. Tonight, the Drummers Fanfare comprises of drummers from the college's A and B bands.
As they say, the best way to build a castle is from the ground up. So, here we are, on the bottom floor of the Black Lodge Cafe, our brand new Black Lodge Cafe. And as we're walking along here tonight, each light on the floor of this new building will be lit on, so you can look along with us as we explore this wonderful building. You'll notice on the bottom here, on the ground, there's a beautiful Indigenous artwork by 500 Voices. And as we walk along here, you'll see on top of these rafters some beautiful Bible verses that show this journey of boyhood to manhood. As we come along, you'll see there's plenty of seating space for our boys during their study breaks and recess and lunches. It really is such a versatile space and a place where our boys can meet and journey to be all together at once.
One of the unique student opportunities at the Scots College is the Year 9 Glengarry Experience. Glengarry was established in 1988 by then Principal Graham Rennie with the aim of creating challenging growth opportunities for boys in the natural environment in all areas of development: physical, spiritual, emotional, social, and academic, based on the educational philosophy of Kurt Hahn, the founder of Gordon's Toon School. Glengarry aims to develop Scots boys in a distinct manner that is foundational to their growth into fine young men. Located in Kangaroo Valley, students spend 6 months working on their academics, participating in outdoor adventures, and learning to live together in a residential setting. During their time at Glengarry, students are presented with a series of challenging experiences that test their resilience and push them beyond their self-perceived limits. Through teamwork, perseverance, and grit, they learn the value of achieving success together. The activity the Glengarry boys are demonstrating for you in this next presentation is the Tire Flipping Challenge. The students will be presented with a problem. In this case, we're creating a stack of tires. They are given time to problem solve and strategize, and must then test their theory in practice. We have 2 groups of 12 boys selected from the current intake at Glengarry, divided into blue and gold teams. These teams will compete against the clock to see which team completes the challenge in the fastest time. Let's go to Sir Stu to get them started.
Ladies and gents, let's get your hands together for the Glengarry boys. This side over here will have the gold team. This side over here will have the blue team. And we are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's give him some support. Come on, louder, let's get behind the boys. Lockie, stand up. What's life like at Glengarry apart from me being wonderful?
It's a great opportunity because we get to have many outdoor activities, make great relationships with each other, and make lifelong memories.
You guys gonna win tonight?
Yeah, we're going to definitely win.
Up the gold team. Billy, up you get, son. I'll get down for you. Tell me about Glengarry.
Glengarry is a great opportunity to make lifelong friends and go on outdoor activities. Come on, boys.
Come on, audience, let's get involved. Let's win the golds. Come on. Come on, blue team, let's go. Come on, get your arms together. Come on. Up you get. Jamie, tell me, the audience, about Glengarry.
Glengarry is an opportunity that you can grow by yourself and without support, so you learn to just be yourself and with no influence.
You love it with us? You love it?
Yes, sir.
What's the most thing you love most? PT?
Yeah, just pushing myself.
Well done. Come on, blue team, you're a little bit in front. Well done. Yellow team, you need to get your flag to switch on. Come on. Come on, gold supporters. Give them a bit of a hand. Come on. Let's get them going. Come on. Faster. It's going to be tight. Josh, come on. Stand up. Bit of tension here. Are we going to win it or what?
We'll make a comeback and take the lead.
Tell me about your time at Glengarry.
It's been a really
Let's go, go! Let's go! Come on, blue team, you're just behind! Come on! Come on, blue supporters, get him going! Come on! Come on, let's go! Well done, blue, excellent. Evan, how is, stand up. How is at Glengarry?
I love how we get to find our true self. Glengarry, through Kiki and Norma. It's amazing with my friends supporting me through the journey.
And who gave you that haircut?
Sir Shu.
Thank you. You've rehearsed this 19 times. Don't get it wrong. Tell me. Talk to me about being out of your time there.
It's a way to step out of your comfort zone, do things you won't normally do back here at school, and enjoy dorm life with all your mates.
How good is the food?
Bloody good.
Tell your mum how good it is.
Mum, it's very good.
Thanks. Come on, let's get out, Tyler. Come on, Blues, let's get them going. They've taken the lead. The Blues have taken the lead. Come on, Goats, let's get them going. Come on. Get that flag, quick. Come on. It's close, it's going to be close. Come on, crowd, let's get going. Ben, are we going to win? Sorry? Are we going to win? Come on, Josh, let's get it going. We're going to win this. Who's going to win? We need to get that flag in. Yes, let's go. Let's go, Goalies. Salute! Louder, come on! Down! Let's go! You're gonna love this, absolutely love this. Get ready for the good old Mexican. Look at this go! Woo! Ladies and gents, thank you very much indeed. Big round of applause. Put the tyres back, guys, thank you.
In the prep school, our boys engage in dance every week from the cuts we saw earlier all the way through to year 6. That's over 600 boys dancing each week right here in Bellevue Hill. The prep dance companies represent the college's most talented dancers. These companies perform at prestigious venues, including the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Town Hall, as well as in city and state estedfunds, inter-school showcases, and of course, here at the Tattoo tonight, joining us this evening is our very own musical theatre star, Year 8 student Harry Little, who is set to perform as Billy Elliot in his title debut role next week. Led tonight by Piper James McGilvey, and himself a dance company graduate. Please welcome from years 2 to 8 and combined prep dance company and senior dance ensemble with their performance of Thunderstruck. What an incredible performance, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome the Chamber Strings, the most senior strings ensemble at the college. They will be performing for you tonight a traditional Celtic air and jig, Irish Legend. We hope you enjoy the impressive violin solo by Captain of Music Patrick Gow, who will be supported by guest student drummer Jarvis Faulkner. Please welcome the Chamber Strings.
Alright, now we're in the second floor in the Hyder Theatre, which is a multi-purpose space built for both formal and informal discussions. As you look around, you'll notice that this place is perfect for things like public speaking, debating, teachers' meetings, student meetings, which is great for all our students around the college. Now moving in to the Highland Hall. The first thing you notice is this striking feature, which is a replica of the Winchester's Round Table. This is where our prefects will have our weekly meetings. There will be a portrait of Robert the Bruce painted on the middle with his famous quote, "If at first you don't succeed, try again." This floor also links directly to our dining hall, which makes it perfect for all of things like smooth connections between functions and all those types of things. It's definitely a space to bring people together and create meaningful conversation and community moments.
The Oscott Australia Highland Dancers, representing regions from across the country, have performed with the Scots College Pipes and Drums Band at the Basel Tattoo in Switzerland and at the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo in Scotland. The dancers are delighted to perform for us this evening and to showcase the energy, precision and tradition of Highland dance here at the Scots College Tattoo. Please welcome the Oscott Dancers, accompanied by pipes and drums from the Old Boys A&B bands. Another wonderful facet of life at Scots is our strong and enduring connection to the Chinese community. In fact, one of the very first students to enroll in 1893 was a Chinese boy named Shi Yong Tang. And just a few years later, in 1897, Shi made history to be the college's first ever captain of the first 15 rugby team. This evening, we honor that legacy and celebrate the richness of Chinese culture through one of its most iconic traditions. Let me take you back to ancient China, where a fearsome beast with razor-sharp teeth, enormous claws, and a terrifying growl would emerge from the wilderness at the start of each new year. The villagers called this creature Nian, which means year in Chinese, to protect themselves and welcome the new year with joy and good fortune. The villagers created the tradition of the lion dance, a powerful, colorful performance designed to drive away evil spirits and bring prosperity. Please put your hands together for the dance.
Now, as we reach the third floor, I can welcome you to the Zylstra Library. This is the academic heart of our student centre, purposely designed for both individual focus and collaborative learning. As we walk throughout the space, you'll notice things like study pods, student couches, all places where boys can both concentrate but also come here to quietly read and enjoy their time academically. It's also providing flexibility in how we learn. and interact. One particular unique feature that I want to show you, if you come along here, come on, is this wonderful turret in the corner. This turret here will be used as a quiet reading and reflection space for our boys and has a fantastic view over the harbour. In the future, there'll be a ladder added here in the future.
The Fire and Rescue Brass Band was originally formed as the Paddington Brewery Volunteer Fire Brigade Band in or around 1899 and reformed as the New South Wales Fire Brigades Band in 1910. The band at all times has been proud to provide musical support to the brave firefighters of New South Wales. All of the members are part-time volunteers, some travelling from as far as Bowral, Lithgow and all parts of the Greater Sydney region. Today the band is led by their long-serving drum major, Peter Ryan. Put your hands together for the brass band. round of applause to the brass bands. The tug of war is one of the most fiercely contested events at any Highland Games in Scotland, an age-old test of strength, teamwork and determination. 2 teams of 8 compete head-to-head, coached by a team member who drives them forward with encouragement and strategic calls, all in an effort to pull their opponents across the line. Tonight, our middle school boys will take to the field to compete for the middle school title. Then, the biggest and strongest cadets from the senior school will face off in a best-of-3 showdown for ultimate bragging rights. Over to you, Mr. Cooney.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Be prepared to witness a battle of gladiatorial. Two teams will enter. One team will leave, shrouded in glory after a battle of strength, determination, commitment and pure grit. Let's give them a warm welcome for the young Lions of the cadet unit. Give it up. On you come, gentlemen. This is sudden death. 1 round only. Take your position. On rope. And take the strain. Let's give him some encouragement, ladies and gentlemen. And heave. Let's go. Come on. Come on, give him some encouragement. Winner! Kokoda Company champions. Captains, take post. Give them a round of applause. Bring in now the consummate battle of the evening, the Titans of the cadet unit. Our senior companies from Gallipoli and Kokoda will come on and battle in a 3-round contest for dominance. Bring it on, gentlemen. Three rounds, take position. On rope. All right, in the words of the classics, let's get ready to rumble. Take the strain and heave. Come on, encourage them. Come on, push them on. Winner, Kokoda, round one. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Round two, on the rope. Second round. Hey, take the strain. And heave. Come on, a bit of encouragement. They're working hard out here tonight. Winner, Gallipoli. Moving to the third and final round for the sudden death decider. On rope, gentlemen, for the last time. This is the last round for them, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for them. Take the strain. And heave! And Kokoda in an epic battle. 2 rounds to 1. Captain, stay posed. One more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for a fine battle. Thank you very much. Scots to the floor, ladies and gentlemen.
We're here in the 5th floor, in the beautiful William Zoo Gallery of Heritage and Culture. In the beginning, our Chinese tea room, which is one of the more intimate and reflective spaces in the centre. One thing you notice on the outside is this portrait of Mai Kwong Tat, who owned the tea house that the founders of the Scots College, Reverend Aspinall, Mackey and Gilchrist, used to plan and form what we now know as the Scots College. You'll have also noticed on the inside the Chinese style flooring, which adds a unique cultural dimension and creates a space that invites moments of more slower, meaningful conversation. As we know, Scots is a busy place, so this floor really contrasts to the bustle and hustle of the lower floors. Now, moving along, we have something that is really special to this building, and we have the perfect person here to talk about it. I'm here with Mr. Matt Collette, President of the Old Boys Union. Matt, can you please tell us about this tower and what it means to the boys here at the college?
Yeah, look, there's so many rites of passage at Scots through the history. You got the Cubs getting a rite of passage to the prep. You got the Year 6 boys getting a rite of passage to the senior school, and you got the famous Glengarry long journey home, which everyone loves. So we thought we'd create the last rite of passage where the Year 12 boys finish, they enter the building, Year 12 boys, they come down to the Old Boys Tower and they exit as Old Boys. So it's a new tradition. We started it last year and it was a great event.
Amazing. And one last thing, could you tell me what was your favourite place at Scots when you were there?
Look, I was probably sporting rather than academic, so I have to say the main oval. I've got fond memories of it. I've spent a lot of time on it, and we love coming back and supporting the school in all the sports, especially the rugby days and all the events. So, look, I have to say it's the main oval.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Collette. Thank you very much.
Fantastic job tonight.
Thank you very much. That is the closing for us tonight. It has been a valuable experience to show off what we now know as the John Cunningham Student Centre and its wonderful interior. Now, I've got to head to the finale, and I'll see you all later. Thank you very much.
The college band began with just a handful of pipers and drummers, but it quickly grew in size and popularity. In the years that followed, the band became an integral part of school life, performing at events such as assemblies, sports matches, and formal dinners. Although the Old Boys had been forming small bands for particular events and memorials, the Scots College Old Boys Pipe Band was not officially formed until 1993 as part of the centenary celebrations of the Scots College. Old Boy pipers and drummers, numbering in the hundreds, descended upon the college for a gathering to mark this momentous occasion. The band's first Sydney Anzac Day Street March was in 1996, and the band has been in attendance ever since. In 2023, the Old Boys performed alongside the college band at the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. And again, in 2024, both bands performed at the Virginia Tattoo. Please welcome the bands of the decades. Everybody, please cheer. It's the pipes and drums in full force at all bands of the decades. Audience, can I ask you, please make the band of the 2020s feel welcome. I need more applause for the 2010s. The band of the 2000s. Even louder for the 1990s. Please welcome the 1980s. In full force, the 1970s. Now, if I can invite everyone to stand for our final band of the decades this evening. Please join me in welcoming our 1960s pipers and drummers. I can't hear you. Everybody sit down. Thank you. Well, put your hands together for the full Scots College Pipe Band. Cheer as we welcome back our amazing cast as the show moves into the finale. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take a moment to truly appreciate this extraordinary spectacle. Over 800 cast members united in performance at the Scots College Tattoo. Please applaud. Thank you. The college principal, Dr. Lambert, will now stand and receive the salute from Parade Commander, Senior CUO Angus Mackenzie.
Parade! General salute! Present!
If I can please ask all our audience to stand as you were able for the singing of the Australian National Anthem performed by the Fire and Rescue Band. Thank you. Please be seated.
Hooray! About done!
High on the John Cunningham Student Centre in the Piper's Keep is the lone piper, Pipe Major Oliver Carmont, who will play tonight's lament.
This is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in your bag, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? We're carrying on the colored lines, where the runaways are running the night. Possible close to intoxicating you. It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever need. And it's here right in front of you to tell you you wanna be. It's coming in on the colored lines, where the runaways are running the night. Possible comes true. It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. This is the greatest show. It's coming on the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true. It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true. It's taking over you.
Hooray! About done!
What a momentous occasion. The passion, talent demonstrated this evening has been remarkable and inspiring. On behalf of the entire cast and crew, I'd like to take a moment to sincerely thank each and every one of you for being here and bringing your energy and enthusiasm and supporting us throughout the tattoo. But tonight's magic wouldn't have been possible without the real stars of the show, the students and our wonderful guest acts. These talented performers have poured their hearts into every note, every step, and every emotion. They have dedicated countless hours, risen to every challenge, and poured their hearts into bringing this musical tattoo to life for you tonight. Let's hear it one more time for the cast of The Scots Tattoo! And now, I wish you good night and leave you with a poem from famous Scottish poet and novelist, Sir Walter Scott, and the sights and sounds of the traditional march-off.
Breathes there the man, with soul so dead, who ne'er to himself hath said, "This is my own, my native land. Land of brown heath and shaggy wood, land of the mountain and the flood, land of my sires. What mortal hand can e'er untie the filial band that knits me to thy rugged strand? Scotland, Scotland the brave,